How to recover permanently deleted photos from Google Photos. First of all, open the Google Photos app and click the trash or bin under the Library or Collections tab. If your photos were deleted within the last 60 days or 30, if not backed up, you might still be able to restore them from there. After that, head over to the archive section. Sometimes photos are accidentally archived instead of deleted. Then try using Google Takeout at takeout.google.com. Deselect everything except Google Photos and download your data. You might be surprised to find some deleted photos included. Finally, if none of these options work, open the Google Photos app from your phone. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Help and Feedback from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Post to the Help community. In the post form, enter a short summary of your issue like need help recovering permanently deleted photos. Then explain your problem clearly, describe what happened and what you have already tried. You can copy the explanation from video or description. Now you can also attach screenshots to help explain the issue better. Under category, select restore photos, then click next, then click restore deleted photos or videos tab, then click next step, then click next, then select your platform like Android or iOS, then click next. Finally, submit the post and wait for replies or guidance from community experts or product support volunteers. So this is how to recover permanently deleted Google Photos.